Hey everyone, I'm Claudio and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm walking you through how to use templates in Premiere on iPhone. If you've ever wanted to create polished, professional looking videos straight from your phone without spending hours editing, this one's for you. Let's get into it. Go ahead and launch Premiere on your iPhone. Once you're in, you'll immediately notice a row of template categories to scroll through. You've got lifestyle, beauty, travel, cuisine, health, and YouTube shorts. Now, here's something important to know before you pick one. All of these templates are pre-built, ready to edit frameworks that give your video a polished look right out of the gate. But here's one key difference between the YouTube Shorts template and the rest. The YouTube Shorts option lets you upload your video directly to YouTube from inside the app. The other templates, lifestyle, beauty, travel, cuisine, health, those you'll save on your device so you can share them across whatever platform you want: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, your choice. Also, you'll notice buttons at the top of the screen. Those let you build a project completely from scratch if you prefer to start with a blank canvas. Same workflow, just no template foundation. But today we're working with templates, so let's pick one. Scroll through the options and tap the one that fits your content. For this demo, I'm going to use the YouTube Shorts template. I'll show you what makes that one special at the end. Once you select your template, you'll see placeholder clips at the bottom of the screen. These are spots where your footage goes. Tap each placeholder and add your photos or videos from your camera roll. Fill them in, get your content in place, then hit next. At this point, you've got two options. You can export right away if you're happy with how it looks, or tap Full Editor for more creative control. I almost always go Full Editor. Inside the Full Editor, you can trim clips, swap out footage with replace, adjust filters, edit your audio, swap the music, update the text overlays, really dial in every detail of your video. This is where you go from good enough to actually looking like you put real work into it. Spend a few minutes here and it's worth it. Once you're happy with everything, hit export and choose your settings. Now, because I use the YouTube Shorts template, I get the option to share directly to YouTube Shorts right from the app. I can add my title, description, tags, all of it without ever leaving Premiere on the iPhone. And even after you upload, the video is saved to your device and stays in the app so you can come back and make edits anytime. And that's the full workflow for using templates in Premiere on iPhone. Quick, clean, and honestly, pretty powerful for a mobile app. Let me know what you think of the app in the comments. I'm curious what you're going to create. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped out, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Until the next one.